Hi everyone, today we're checking out the powerful 2500W high-pressure steam cleaner designed for home use. It heats up in just 10 seconds and blasts steam at 105 degrees Celsius to tackle tough grease and stains. With a large 1-liter water tank, you can clean for up to an hour without refilling. The steamer offers 6 adjustable steam levels, so you can customize the intensity for different surfaces. It comes with 3 brush heads and a 2-meter-long power cord for easy reach and versatile cleaning. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, upholstery, carpets, and even car detailing, this lightweight cleaner makes deep cleaning simple. Remember to always wait for the steam to cool before removing the safety cap for your protection. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.